Namaste in bed. Hey everyone, welcome to a new video of the Artiest on the internet. Today we want to help everyone out and we were thinking of making face masks, but because we know a lot of people are doing that, we want to so we were thinking of tie-dyeing our face masks. So you only have your own unique tie-dyed face masks whenever you go into the shop, go out on the streets, protect yourselves, wear a face mask but look cool at the same time. So there we go. We've got these two pieces of fabric, one for Artiest and one for Artiest. This, like, the length has to be 40 centimeters and the width has to be 20 centimeters. So first we're going to just like scrunch them together or use tie-dye techniques to get them all tie-dyed, and then we'll show you how to like sew them all together and turn it into a cool mask.
Now, just a disclaimer quickly, guys, if you do have access to professional PPE equipment, obviously use that. These will stop the virus from getting out, but it won't stop it from coming in. Now for the fun stuff!
Let's go!
Darling!
Well, hello everyone. This is where we get to the exciting part where we're going to actually put the mask together and we're going to start to sew. Okay, so please make yourself comfortable, get yourself a cup of tea, because we're going to sew. So make sure that when you've got your fabric it's all nice and like flat and ironed and hasn't got any creases in it. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, when you've got most of the crease out, you just have to like fold it and just keep ironing certain lines in it. I'll show you how to do it. Okay friends, I am back from hell and I've sewed these two sides, and if after you've done that you can just fold it like this. You have to like make sure that you add these on the inside and then you've got a mask. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that, tie-dye mask. Woo! I've made another one as well for hearts, but the first one I made, like the elastic bands I used were too long, so I cut like 20 centimeters, but I changed these to 15 and it's way better. So go for 15 if you haven't got like an enormous head. And there we go, tie-dye face mask. Woo!
We really enjoyed doing that. It was a lot of fun.
Me too, I love sewing.
Can we have more challenges like that?
Please everyone send us challenges that include sewing, we love it.
Just you wait till the resin.
Get ready for the resin!